Your VIP customers deserve better than the generic Salesforce auto-response email when they open support cases. Instead, use email-to-case premium's Invocable Method with Salesforce Flow to personalize the response and reduce case handle time. In the flow, you will replace the manual work to triage and assign the case to a VIP support queue member. Then, the flow will use the Invocable Method to send a personalized message directly from the case owner. The support team hasn't touched the case, and the VIP customer received a personalized response with a message from the case owner helping them, asking for additional details about the issue, steps to replicate, and other information. You can also use the Invocable Method to create a follow-up process to personalize the email sent to customers who haven't responded for a few days. How would you use Invocable Methods to improve your service experience?